little bit longer. I'm sorry, didn't mean to, but I heard you cannot undo it. So please stay. I know that we've been fighting, but can't we just hold up, maybe stay up, try to make things right? I don't know why I did what I did. Somehow I think that I lost my head. Don't know why. Don't know why. I have realized when I'm with you, I wanna do what it takes to make you see, make you see that we'll be alright if you just let me show you that I can do better. And I apologize for everything. I know that I can be defensive, say that it ain't on me. Why can't you see it ain't easy? Ooh, but now feels like I can hear what you're saying. No point of blaming, it's so draining. Wanna do this right. I don't know why I did what I did. Somehow I think that I lost my head. Don't know why. I don't know why. I have realized when I'm with you, I wanna do what it takes to make you see, make you see that we'll be alright if you just let me show you that I can do better. And I apologize for everything. Hey, won't you stay a little bit longer? I'm sorry, didn't mean to, but I heard you. I have realized when I'm with you, I wanna do what it takes to make you see, make you see that we'll be alright if you just let me show you that I can do better. And I apologize for everything. I apologize for everything. Say something like you love me and make my day, like you always do, like you always do.